Chapter 2 Reflection Part 2 2.3 Image Formation by Plane Mirror. From everyday experience, we know that images formed by plane mirror are erect and laterally inverted, and the image formed by a mirror also has the same size as the object. But why is it so? Why images formed by a plane mirror are always erect, laterally inverted, and has the same size as the object? 2.4 Formation of point image. A point image is a single point. It is placed in front of a plane mirror. You will see the image formed by reflection of a plane mirror, and the image is a single point too. But where is the image formed? In this experiment, you will try to find the position of the image of a point object formed by a plane mirror. Follow the steps below. You will be given a worksheet like this. This line, MN, divides the paper into two equal halves. Stand the mirror there. Then, mark a point at the corner like this. Label it as O, object O. The object O produces light rays to all directions, but we are interested in a few of them, those that will go to the mirror. Now, direct light rays from the ray box through the point object O, and check how the light rays are reflected. Mark the incident rays and reflected rays, one after another. Use crosses as what you have done before. In order not to mix up the light rays, you may use different color pens to mark them. Next, draw an observer eye at the corner. Finally, produce the reflected rays backward using dotted lines. Okay, for the observer, all the reflected light rays seem to come from a point behind the mirror, the intersection point. This is the image. This is the point image formed by a plane mirror when light from a point object is reflected. Now, where is the image? How far the image is behind the mirror? What are the conclusions from this experiment? To some of you, it may be difficult to accept that the image is formed behind the mirror. Your teacher will show you this demonstration called Method of No Parallax to show you how to locate the image quickly behind the mirror. Well, you may also watch the following YouTube video and then try the low parallax method at home yourself. 2.5 Nature of image formed by plane mirror. Extended object. So you may start to know how to locate the image of a point object. And now, what about an extended object, which is an object with size? It is not too difficult to locate the image of an extended object. Let me show you how. First, an extended object has size. For example, an arrow. It has two ends, A and B. We may mark each end as an point object. Then, find their images. And so, the image of the arrow will be a new arrow behind the mirror, like this. For any extended object, you may repeat the procedure and locate its image similarly. So you can see the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect, laterally inverted, and has the same size as the object. Lastly, this kind of image, which is located by producing reflected rays backward with dotted lines, is called virtual image. The dotted lines are called virtual rays, and the image is called virtual image. Your teacher will tell you something more about virtual image in the class. Stay tuned.